Your new battery-powered Google Nest Doorbell has arrived. Here's how you set it up. Once you get your new doorbell, open your Google Home app, or if you don't have it, download it on Google Play or the App Store. Tap the plus symbol up top and then select Setup Device. Select New Devices. If you have more than one location, choose the one where you're setting it up, then tap Next. The Google Home app will look for your device. If it can't locate it, the app might ask you what you want to set up. Select the correct Nest Doorbell. Then scan the QR code on the product and follow the guided tutorial in the app to ensure you install your new doorbell correctly. Once it's installed and working, it's time to link your Nest Doorbell to your AT&T account. This will help you take advantage of great features like intelligent alerts, which notifies you when a person, package, animal, or vehicle is in view of your camera. Familiar faces, which will alert you when one of your frequent visitors arrives. Quiet time, which mutes audible notifications for a certain length of time. And 30-day cloud storage so you can go back and check out past footage. To start, open your AT&T Control app and tap on the menu icon at the top left. Select Add Device near the bottom. Tap on Google Nest. Tap Next to allow AT&T to manage Google services and devices. Tap Next again to continue the permission process, and then tap Continue to begin linking your AT&T and Google accounts. Sign into your Google account if you're not already. Pick the home in which you're setting up the Nest Doorbell, then tap Next. Tap Next again to allow AT&T to view information about your home. Select your Google account, then allow AT&T to access it by tapping Continue. Once that's finished, tap to enter your Google Home app to set up your included Nest Aware subscription. Tap Setup AT&T and Google at the top. You'll be asked to apply Nest Aware to your home. Tap the Apply button, and then the Setup button on the next screen. Set up Event Video History by tapping Choose Cameras, then select the devices that you want to store video history. Then tap Next. Now it's time to set up Familiar Face Detection. Tap Choose Cameras and select the devices you would like to recognize frequent visitors. Then tap Next. Next is Sound Detection. Tap Choose Sounds and then select the sounds you'd like your Google Nest device to listen for. Then tap Next. Now select the devices you would like to use sound detection with. Then tap Next. To set up emergency calling in the Google Home app, tap Next. Or tap Not Now to disable this feature. Finally, confirm your address by tapping Next. You're all set. Enjoy safer, more convenient living with your new Nest Doorbell as part of your AT&T system. AT&T, brilliantly safe.